In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write math expressions in Google Slides without needing any coding skills or relying on using images. This method will make your presentations more professional and easier to edit in the future. First, let's begin by opening Google Slides. Head over to your internet browser and enter the URL for Google Slides, or simply search for it if that's easier. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt to do so. Signing in allows you to access all your documents and make any changes to your content swiftly and effortlessly. Now that you're signed in and on the Google Slides homepage, you have two choices. You can either start fresh by clicking on blank presentation or select any template that fits your specific needs. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's opt for a blank presentation. This straightforward setup helps you to concentrate on learning how to add those math expressions without distractions from pre-designed elements. Once your presentation opens up, let's look at the top menu bar where you'll see an option labeled Extensions. Click on it and you'll find a drop-down menu. From this list, look for and click on Math Type. MathType is a tool that seamlessly integrates with Google Slides, providing you with the ability to insert mathematic symbols and expressions directly into your slides. After selecting MathType, another menu pops up showing you the option to open MathType. When you click on Open MathType, a panel will appear, offering a user-friendly interface to start inserting your math expressions. It's intuitive and simple, mimicking math textbooks and allowing you to effortlessly build equations ranging from basic arithmetic to more complex calculus. As you're working through putting your expressions together, keep in mind that MathType saves your equations immediately within your slide. This means you can move them around, resize them, or edit them just like any other text element in Google Slides. It keeps everything neat, clean, and fully integrated without any reliance on separate image files. To effectively use MathType, spend some time exploring its various features. You'll find it quite comprehensive, offering not just symbols but tools for formatting those expressions exactly how you want them to appear. If you're ever unsure, their help resources are a great way to troubleshoot any challenges you might face. And there you have it, a clean, professional way to integrate math expressions into your presentations. It allows you to streamline your work without the hassle of external images or coding knowledge. Hopefully this guide has demystified the process for you. Thanks for joining me today.